everyone, imagine you're planning a road trip. You need a clear map outlining your route so you can reach your destination. Similarly, a well-defined list of key responsibilities provides candidates with a clear understanding of their role, ensuring they know exactly what is expected of them. Let's discuss how to effectively list key responsibilities to attract and inform the right candidates. By the end of today's lecture, you should be able to understand the importance of clearly listing key responsibilities in a job circular. Learn the key components that make a responsibility statement effective. Gain strategies for crafting clear and engaging responsibility statement. Listing key responsibilities is essential for several reasons. Clarity provides candidates with a clear understanding of their daily tasks. Expectations sets clear expectations for job performance. Evaluation helps managers evaluate employee performance based on defined tasks. In a job circular for a project manager, listing responsibilities such as oversee project timelines, coordinate with team members, and manage project budgets provides clarity and sets expectations. Use action verbs to start each responsibility statement. This makes the responsibility clear and dynamic. Instead of project management, use manage project timelines and deliverables. Be specific about the tasks and duties. Avoid vague descriptions to ensure candidates know exactly what they will be doing. Instead of handle customer service, use respond to customer inquiries via email and phone within 24 hours. Ensure that each listed responsibility is relevant to the job role and necessary for the position. For a software developer role, write and maintain code for web applications is relevant, whereas organize office events is not. List the most important responsibilities first. This helps candidates understand the primary focus of the role. For a marketing manager, prioritize, develop, and implement marketing strategies over less critical tasks like attend team meetings. Whenever possible, highlight the outcomes or results expected from each responsibility. This provides context and significance to the task. Develop social media campaigns to increase brand awareness by 20%. Highlights the desired outcome. Ensure that the responsibilities align with the overall goals and values of the company. This helps candidates see how their role contributes to the bigger picture. Collaborate with the sales team to develop customer-focused marketing materials. Shows alignment with company goals. Create responsibilities bingo game. Write down various job responsibilities on a bingo card and have your friends fill out the cards with responsibilities that match a specific job role you describe. The first to get 5 in a row wins. For further reading, I recommend The Elements of a Good Job Description by Indeed.